Hey guys, welcome back to Easy. Today's recipe is this yummy 2-minute snack. This no-cook recipe is perfect for summer parties or snacking. This is crunchy, tangy, spicy, you would love it. And you don't even have to switch on the gas in this hot season. So we'll start with some chopped tomato. I prefer to deseed these. Chopped onion, lots of cilantro with stem. As I told you earlier, it has incredible flavor in the stems, so don't throw it away. Some finely chopped green chilies, black pepper, fresh lime juice, salt to taste. This is the basic recipe, you can use it. And to make it more delicious, I would add 2 more ingredients. Those are optional, that is chopped cabbage and sweet corns. Make sure your ingredients are chilled, it tastes better. Or you can make the salsa and keep it in the fridge for an hour. I am adding some tomato ketchup to give it nice tangy taste. Mix everything well and your salsa is ready. And when your guests arrive or you are ready to eat, just assemble everything. I am using pinjals here. You can use any other chips or the Doritos kind of thing you like. Just arrange it and top it up with the salsa we made earlier. And it's that simple. You can enjoy it as it is, or you can top it up with some cheese. I am using cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. Do try this recipe and you would thank me later. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Take care and bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy and press the notification bell for the updates.